Hello kids, in this video I am going to explain you how you are going to do your map work. You will start from page number 5 and at left side on the top you will write date, in the middle you will write day, and at the top of right side you will write classwork. Here a question is written, locate the following on the political map of India. A. 4 major directions. In this map of India, you have to locate all 4 major directions. So, let's start from here. At the top, it is north. You will write north here. At the bottom, it is south. On the right side, east, and on the left side it is west. So these are the 4 major directions you are going to locate. Remember one thing, while locating you will not use pen, you will locate with pencil only. In map work you will use only pencil. After that, in front of the question also you will write all 4 major directions: north, south, east and west. After doing this page, you will do page number 9. Again same, here you will write the date, in the middle day, and at right side on the top you will write classwork. Now there are 2 questions. On the outline map of India, locate the following. First is capital of India. All of you know what is the capital of India? It's New Delhi. You are going to locate New Delhi. And second question is 3 major cities that are located fairly close to the Tropic of Cancer. It means you are going to locate 3 cities which are very close to Tropic of Cancer. So let's start. All of you know this is UP means Uttar Pradesh and this is Haryana. So in the middle there is a place, here you will put a dot, and this is New Delhi where you also live. So you will put a dot and it is the capital of India, and here you will write New Delhi. Then the next question, 3 major cities located at the Tropic of Cancer. So first लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. ये है एक इमेजिनरी लाइन, ये है एक इमेजिनरी लाइन गुजरे इंडिया के ठीक बीच से. इफ यू विल लुक एट दिस, इट इज गोइंग पासिंग थ्रू फ्रॉम द मिडल ऑफ द इंडिया. ओके, गुजरे ये इंडिया के ठीक बीच से, होती ये 23.5 डिग्री पे. This is 23.5 degree and it starts from 23.5 degree. गुजरे ये 8 स्टेट से, from here to here, from west to east, it passes through 8 states of India. गुजरे पहले गुजरात से, first it passes through Gujarat and after that little bit portion of Rajasthan. फिर जाती है राजस्थान, वहां से निकल गुजरे एमपी से. नाउ यू विल सी दिस इज मध्य प्रदेश, दैट इज एमपी. वहां से निकल गुजरे एमपी से, फिर छत्तीसगढ़ एंड झारखंड. दिस इज छत्तीसगढ़. इफ यू विल सी दिस लाइन इज पासिंग थ्रू हेयर एंड आफ्टर दैट इट गोज टू पासिस थ्रू टू झारखंड. आगे वेस्ट बंगाल में बढ़ती, नाउ इट पासिस थ्रू वेस्ट बंगाल. दिस इज वेस्ट बंगाल. वहां से फिर त्रिपुरा, दिस इज त्रिपुरा, एंड एट लास्ट यहां से फिर जाती ये मिजोरम, और यहां से आफ्टर दैट इट पासिस थ्रू मिजोरम. दिस इज मिजोरम. सो ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर passes through 8 states of India, and if you will see children, this line Tropic of Cancer is dividing India into 2 parts, and it is at 23.5 degree. So first you will write 23.5 degree. After that you will draw a line like this with the pencil, not with pen. And after that you will locate the cities which are close to Tropic of Cancer. So this is Gujarat and capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. It is here. At this dot you will put a dot and you will write Gandhinagar. It means this dot is Gandhinagar. And it is, if you will see, it is very close to Tropic of Cancer. After that, put a dot here. This state is MP, means Madhya Pradesh, and this is Bhopal, its capital. You will put a dot here and you will write Bhopal. And if you will see, it is also very close to Tropic of Cancer. Now, look carefully at this dot. This dot is very much close to Tropic of Cancer. And this is Ranchi, capital of Jharkhand. After that, this is Mizoram and its capital is Aizawl. It is also close to Tropic of Cancer. So, I told you 4 cities: Gandhinagar, Bhopal, Ranchi and Aizawl. You can locate any 3 of them. After doing this, here also you are going to write capital of India, New Delhi, 3 major cities that are located fairly close to Tropic of Cancer: Gandhinagar, Bhopal, Ranchi and Aizawl. I have written 4. You can write 3 of them. I have used pen because with pencil it will be not clear, but children, you are not going to use pen in the map work. You will use only pencil. Now you will do page number 5 and 9 in a neat and clean handwriting with pencil. Okay? Is it clear to you? Thank you.